Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Janet Fairdes.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. My parents, my 2 younger sisters, and me.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 1 brother and 1 sister.
What do your parents do?
My father is a teacher, and my mother is a homemaker.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family in a small town.
Are you the oldest amongst your brothers and sisters?
No, I'm not. I'm the second child in my family.
Do your parents let you stay out late?
Of course not. They always ask me to get home before 10 p.m. each night.
Does your family usually have dinner together?
Yes, we do. My mom always prepares delicious meals for us.
See you in the next videos.
Thank you for watching this videos.
And please subscribe my new channel.